Okay, part 3. So last but not least, we're going to be going through in order traversal. So it's a bit different from the last two. We can only perform it on binary trees. So that means a rooted tree where each node has 2 children or less. We visit the left subtree first in this algorithm, then the root, and then the right subtree. Okay, let's get cracking into it. We can use the same tree as the previous 2 examples. You might be wondering if we need to change it or not. Actually, we don't, because this is already a binary tree. None of the nodes have more than 2 children, so it's completely fine to use the same tree as before. So same as before, we'll do the function call by passing in the root node, and we'll call all the nodes coming in as node. We'll do if node, so this just makes sure when we're printing our values, we're only printing out actual node values. So we'll visit the left subtree first, so we'll call it recursively in order node.left. And same as before, I want you to think of it in both a macro and a micro perspective. So we want to be visiting the left subtree first and then the root, but also in this subtree we want to be visiting 2, then its root, its parent 5, and then 8, the right word node. Okay, so we'll do print node.value in order, and we'll do the recursive call towards the right, so node.right. And if I'm right, what it should do is it should visit 2, 5, 8, and then 10, so the left subtree and the root, and then it should go 14, 15, and then 30. So let's try it out. Py3 traversal.py, and yep, that's what it does. It does the left subtree, the root, and then the right subtree. So that's in order traversal on Python.